Okay, at this point you should have downloaded MetaTrader and you should have run through the install of the Fast Track Trader software. And then you've just opened up MetaTrader. And this is what it would look like. It could be different variations, right? Just this is one of the charts. This is the MetaTrader 4 trading platform with the MB trading brokerage firm. And this is a basic chart. Here's some of the different little icon or toolbars that you see in the MetaTrader world. I just want to go through what exactly is installed for the software so you know what to look for, okay? So right here is the navigator, and if you click on this navigator, it opens up a little window. Now let's go through the list here. There's Expert Advisors. You're going to see Chart Trader, C4 Chart Trader is included, and C4 Sniper is going to be included under Expert Advisors. Under Custom Indicators, you're going to see the C4 Price Magnifier, and I'll show you these once we load up a chart. The C4 Sessions, and then also the FTT Thermal Price Grid. That's the big one. And then under Scripts, you have three. There's the Order History Remove, which takes off your chart when it displays your trade results. There's the C4 Order History Pips, which basically draws right on your chart how many pips you made in your trades. And there is a C4 Order History Output, which dumps out the trade history to a CSV Excel spreadsheet. That's a comma separated file. So when you do your install, these are the key elements that you see under the navigator. You see Expert Advisors, you'll see Custom Indicators, and then you'll also see some scripts. Okay, that's in the navigator. I'll just click the red X to close this. Now let's take a look at the one more element, which is the chart templates. So if I right click a chart, go down to Template, you'll see these are the two that you want to look for. FTT Chart Trader, I'll click that. And this is a great starting point. What it does is it sets up the chart. It makes it look just like mine. This is what I trade off every day. Gives us a gray background. Gives us the thermal grids are loaded. And the session boxes are here. This is the Asia session, is the salmon orange or salmon red. Gray is London, and then the blue is the New York session. Now the pink and this green is just simply the overlap of the colors. So do you see this is the start? Let me show you. This is the start and stop of Asia. This is the start and the stop of London time frame, and then this is the US session is open, and the box is stretched to the candles. Do you see this? The low of the session is here and the high of the Asia session is here. While the London was open, this was the lowest price, and while London was open, this is the highest price. Now you'll see the US session just opened, and now it's pushing, this candle is stretching this box. So you can actually visibly see the movement of a session for this currency pair by these boxes. Now here's Chart Trader. It's an expert advisor. We call this the dashboard. This just simply is on the chart and it shows you all the details of that expert advisor. This down here is called the price magnifier. It just simply tells you which currency pair you're on, what is the candle or the time frame of the chart. This shows you the current price moving around, and this does a countdown. Now the countdown clock is accurate, but it might pause if the price doesn't move. So you might see this gap from 5 minutes and 10 seconds to 5 minutes and 8 and 7, like there, it just gapped. So don't panic, it only calculates when the prices move. Okay, so this is a chart template. And when you right click on a chart and you go to the indicator list, now you're going to see these are the indicators in this template. Price magnifier down here to the right. C4 sessions, that's the Asia, London, and the New York boxes right here. FTT thermal price grid, that's these thermal grids, the white boxes across with the prices that are gray, black, and red. That's the thermal price grid. Okay, and then we'll go into each of these, but that is the basic elements of a chart template. Now if I right click the chart, I go to template and I pick sniper, FTT sniper. Now chart trader is going to go away and it replaces it with C4 sniper. And again, here's the dashboard. You still get the price magnifier, you still get the sessions, you still get the thermal grids, but this is now loaded up with the C4 Sniper Expert Advisor, and I'll have videos to teach you about each of those separately. Okay, so once you get started, and those are the elements that come in, and if you want a new chart, each chart is a window like this. See, you can move it around, do what you want, and this is called the Market Watch. This opens up a list of currency pairs. Yours might not look exactly like this, don't worry. And you just take one, you drag it onto this, and that makes a new chart. And if you drag from the Market Watch anywhere into this gray workspace, you'll get the new chart. Now here's called the periodicity toolbar. It's kind of weird, but this actually changes the time frame. See that? To a 5-minute, 15, 30-minute, 1 hour. Okay? And all you do is you right click a chart, go to template, and pick your template to make these basic charts match our software, okay, and our training. So then I'll flip it to like a 15-minute, and I just click this box again, and that closes the Market Watch. If I click it again, it opens it. If I click on this, it opens a navigator. If I click again, it closes it. If I click on this, this is the terminal, and this opens up all my potential trades and running trades right now, and it shows them to me. And I can go to account history and I can see the past. There's alerts, mailbox. Here in the experts tab, we look for any, if there's an error or if anything's not working right, you go into this experts tab and you can see messages. And then here's a journal tab. So we spend a lot of time in the trade and the account history tabs to watch what trades we have and help manage them. So if you just click on this terminal, it closes it again. Okay? So that is some of the basics of what you get after you run the install and how to set up a basic chart, and then we'll get into other videos. We'll show you the details of these other elements. Okay?